In this video, we are going to see how we can prepare a complete aged debtor analysis so that we can manage our receivables effectively and we can collect the debts from them or receivable amount from them in a better way. So here we have extracted a report for all of our customers, and as you can see that we have a lot of invoices that's receivable. So if we see all of these invoices as a whole, we won't be able to define a strategy on how we should start collecting this spending amount, because we need to categorize for how long this customer has the spending balance. So we need to categorize it, either it's 0 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days or more. If you want to learn more about aged debtor analysis and you are not from accounting background, here is the complete explanation of how the aged debtor analysis work. And we have some practical examples as well that you can find with the resources section of this video. So just read through all of this document so that you can understand this assignment in a better way. So we will start categorizing it into different periods. But before that, since this report is exported from a software, that means that they might have some extra spaces that we need to delete. So what we will do is just hold the column A, and just keep it holding and select all the columns. And between any two columns, just double click to open this up. And then we manually try to close the distance to a certain extent, because some of them are stretched by the maximum details in that particular column. In this F column, first of all, we see the customer details and then the details heading. But if we scroll down, we only see contact, and contact here mentioned all together in this column. So that's an extra column. I'll consider that and we can delete it. If we talk about the next column, we only have these headings. We can also see the count here, which is 3. So let's cut this, paste the headings right here. And now if we check, it's completely empty. There's no count, no sum. Let's right click and delete this. Let's bring it closer. And now the data looks better. Let's start creating the categories. We will create different columns and we can write 0 to 30 days like that. But since we will analyze automatically using the formula, so I will use 0 here, 30 here. 0 to 30 days like this, then 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days. And after that, once we have defined 31 to 60 and 61 to 90, we can identify this as a pattern and then we can drag it forward. 91, 121, 151, and we can drag it till 361, let's say. Same thing, select 60 and 90 and just continue the pattern towards right. Now the second last one is 331 to 360 days. And finally, we can decide that if it is greater than 360 days, it will be considered as older invoices that needs to be received. Let's also write here older. Let's select all of them, make it bold. After that, what we will do is we have to create a days past column where we will compare this due date of the invoice and compare it to the current system date, so that not only it creates the aged debtor analysis on the current date, but it will automatically upgrade the categorizations in here on a daily basis. So what we need to do is extract the days past here, and I want to stop it at this point because I want you to practice along. Just complete all of this, clean the data, make these categorizations and also extract the days past, which compares the date that is due in the invoice with the current system date, so that we can know how many days have passed. But in future, the project that you will see is from 1st of January 2024 till 31st of December. I have upgraded all the dates. Whatever project you will download will have the same dates as I have it here. So just try this by yourself, extract the dates past, and I will see you in the next one.